Probiotics are microorganisms that are naturally found in the stomach, intestines, and vagina. They can be found in foods like yogurt and milk, as well as in dietary supplements like capsules, tablets, and powders. Probiotics are used to improve digestion and restore the normal balance of bacteria and yeast in the body. They have been used to treat bowel problems, eczema, vaginal yeast infections, lactose intolerance, and urinary tract infections. It's important to check the label of your particular product for information on its uses. It's also important to be cautious of possibly harmful impurities and additives in some diet supplement products. As always, consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details and to determine the best time to take this supplement. Make sure to follow the directions on the product package. Check the label to see if the dose should be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If you're using the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose carefully with a special measuring device/spoon. Don't use a household spoon because you may not get the correct dose. If you have any questions, consult your doctor or pharmacist. Some probiotic products may contain live bacteria, such as bifidobacteria. If you're taking antibiotics, make sure to take any product containing live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics. Follow the specific directions for your product. If you're using this product for diarrhea caused by antibiotics, don't use it if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days without consulting your doctor. If your condition continues or worsens, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help immediately. If you experience increased stomach gas or bloating, let your doctor or pharmacist know. Serious side effects to watch out for include signs of infection such as a persistent cough, high fever, or chills. While very rare, a serious allergic reaction to this product may occur. Seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as rash, swelling of the face, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. If you are in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking this medication, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's important to talk to your pharmacist for more information. If you have certain health conditions, such as prolonged diarrhea, a weakened immune system, recurring vaginal infections, or recurring urinary tract infections, it's essential to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. Some forms of this medication, like liquid products, foods, powders, or chewable tablets, may contain sugar and/or aspartame. If you have diabetes, phenylketonuria, PKU, or any other condition that requires you to limit or avoid these substances in your diet, it's important to exercise caution and consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. If you have upcoming surgery, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. During pregnancy, this product should only be used when clearly needed, and it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also important to consult your doctor before using this product if you are breastfeeding, as it is unknown whether this product passes into breast milk. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking L.Crispatus gas Jensen Rhamno 5 billion Cell-Bacterioph 15 mg capsule. This is because certain medications can change how this probiotic works or increase the risk of serious side effects. Some medications that may interact with certain probiotics include antibiotics and antifungals, such as clotrimazole, ketoconazole, griseofulvin, and nistidine. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist to avoid any potential interactions. Always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If someone has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical assistance. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center for help. Remember to keep all your medical and lab appointments. It's important to note that some brands of this medication may also contain other ingredients, like fiber or inulin. If you have any questions about the ingredients in your specific brand, be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist for clarification. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Take the next dose as scheduled. Do not take double the dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing L.Crispatus, gas, Jensen, Rhamno 5 billion Cell-Bacterioph 15 megagrams capsule, it's important to note that different probiotics have different storage needs. Some may need to be refrigerated, while others do not. Always check the product package for specific instructions on how to store your probiotics. If you have any questions about storage, don't hesitate to ask your pharmacist. It's important to keep all medications away from children and pets to avoid any accidents. When it comes to discarding this product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly discard the product and it is expired or no longer needed. It's best to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the proper method of disposal. This will ensure that you are safely and effectively getting rid of the product. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.